Very good morning, my dears. A warm welcome to day 2 of our grand revision of cost and management audit. So today we are going to discuss the practical application in preparing cost audit report. The practical application in cost audit report. So hope you are ready. I am also ready for you. So we can start the session. So first of all, in the last class, we were already discussed it. In the last class, we were already discussed it. Who will submit the cost audit report? What is the time limit for cost audit report? All those provisions applicable by the law. Now, in the last class, we have already learned that. In the last class, we have already learned that cost auditor has to submit his cost audit report in CRA 3. Cost auditor has to submit his cost audit report in CRA 3. So while the cost auditor submitting his report in CRA 3, while the cost auditor submitting cost to CRA 3, it has some part. There will be part A, part B, part C, part D. There are 5 parts, 4 parts are there. This part A means general information. This part A is what? General information. That means what is the name of the cost auditor, what is his address, for which year the cost audit is preparing, and for which company, what is the registered office of the company, what is the cost accounting policy, what is the cost accounting system. All those concepts are discussed under the general information. Then part B. Part B discuss about details about the manufacturing product. Details about the manufacturing products. That means it discuss about what is the cost sheet, that is what is the cost of production, what is the material utilities, what is the utilities breakup, then how the product cost information. All these are under the part B. Going further to C. The C part is for service. As in the last class also we have highlighted, the cost audit is not only applicable for products, it is also applicable for services. So service will come under part C. This part D only, all those additional information will come. Part D only will go all the additional information. So under part D, the first para 1. Para 1 it tells about product profitability statement. Product profitability statement. Para 1 tells about product profitability statements. That is, this is how the CRA 3 will be there. So under the para 1, it will have 2 parts. One part will be cost per unit, that is per unit. One will be total. Then first will come revenue, another part will come cost. So you will find out the profit. That is the only thing. The first topic which we gonna do the application for us will come. Start with para 2. It start with para 2. So what is para 2, my dears? Is para 2 all about profit reconciliation. This para 2 is all about profit reconciliation. So today we are starting with para 2. After the para 2, para 3, para 4, everything step by step we will learn. So as per the CRA 3, we have to maintain what? Cost audit report. There will be part D. Para 2 talks about what? Profit reconciliation. So first, this is mostly coming area for your exam. In your online MTP question also, this profit reconciliation questions are there. In your online MTP question also, this profit reconciliation question are there. So we are starting. So first of all, we have to understand what this here tells about. As per para 2, there is a specific format is there. As per para 2, there is a specific format for the cost auditor to submit. What is that specific format? That first will come profit as per cost accounts. Profit as per cost accounts. Here we will take what is the products covered under audit. products under the audit or not under the audit. That means all the details will be given. You will get profit as per cost. Then what you will do? Since you are getting profits under the cost account, you want to get what? Profit under financial account. So you will add what are all the income not considered in costing. Income not considered in costing. I will come to this topic now itself in detail. Then you will less the expenses not in costing. This generally we make it. So finally we will identify what is a profit as per financial account. This is how the format, being as a cost accountant, you have to submit while you are CRA3. But for exam purpose, this format not only required, we should know about all the methods. For exam purpose, we should know about all the methods. So what are all the method? What are all the method is that, see, if you take your profit reconciliation, this can be split into 3 parts. First one, they will give cost profit. We have to find the financial profit. This is what we have discussed. The cost profit will be given. So if the cost profit is given, if you want to find out financial profit, what we have to do? See, what are all the items which will increase the financial profit? Now I am giving the simple clue. Just remember, any problem you can solve. What are all the items which will increase the financial profit has to be added? What are all the items which will increase the financial profit has to be added? What are all the items which will decrease the financial profit has to be deducted? So income, which will only in financial accounts, that will boost the profit. That is profit on sale of land or profit from trading activities, rental received, dividend received. All those income will boost the profit financial. So you have to add these expenses, any expenses, preliminary expenses written off, goodwill written off. So any expenses not considered in costing, that has to be deducted. So other items are there. Income, when it comes, it will also come in with profit. The expenses coming in, it will also come in what? Losses. Apart from that, there are 2-3 other items. What all other items are there? Closing stock and opening stock adjustment, depreciation adjustment, over or under absorption. This is the another point which we have to know. I will discuss each one by for your benefit. So first we will go for what? Closing stock and opening stock. My dear friends, if closing stock is overvalued, profit will be more. Because closing stock is coming under your credit side. If any increase in your credit side, definitely profit will increase. On the other hand, if opening stock is overvalued, it is coming in your debit side, your profit will decrease. So you have to check if the closing stock is overvalued in financial profit. If the closing stock is, this is very important. Stock adjustment only students will make mistake always. So I am telling you the clue. If closing stock is overvalued in financial accounts, financial profit will be more. You should understand that. Balance is very clear. Our main point. What is the main point? We said, what are all the items which will increase the financial profit has to be added. What are all the profit? What are all the items which will decrease the financial profit has to be deducted. So overvaluation of closing stock in financial accounts will increase the financial profit, so you add. On the other hand, an overvaluation of closing stock in cost accounts will deduct the financial profit, so you deduct. So the both ulta we got it. Same way opening stock. See how the treatment of opening stock will come. The treatment of opening stock is very easy. How the treatment of opening stock will come is just a reversal of closing stock. Will come opening stock. That means opening stock is overvalued. Profit will come down. We have to deduct it. Whereas opening stock is undervalued, profit will be more, we have to add. Now next one, the treatment of the same treatment of closing stock only will come for work in progress also. Sometimes they will split like this. Work in progress, finished goods. No need of getting confused. It is just a split only. Going for the treatment of depreciation. How the treatment of depreciation will come? See, depreciation, different method. Maybe in costing they followed WDV. In accounting they followed SLM basis. So how the treatment of depreciation will come? See, my dear friends, the depreciation, you have to see the amount. If financial account, if it is 1,000, cost accounts, it is 1,500. That means the expenses less in financial. If expenses less in financial, what we have to do? Financial expense is less, financial profit will be more. Financial expense is less, financial profit will be more. So what we have to do? We have to add if we are starting with cost accounts. Just a reversal. If cost profit is less, if cost profit is more, then you have to do the reversal. The next, another one thing, under absorption or over absorption. Very easy. Very easy. My dear friends, over absorption means in costing the amount is more. Under absorption means in costing the amount is less. So over absorption, costing amount is more. If costing amount is more, but whereas financial amount is less, financial profit will be more because amount means expenses only. If where the expenses are more, there will be more loss, that is lesser profit will come. So over absorption, cost profit will be less, financial profit will be more because absorption is more amount. So cost profit will be less, financial profit will be more. So over absorption, since financial profits are more, cost profit we have to add because we are finding what financial profit. Now only we discuss what role the item which will increase. So if you want, I will give you a format also. Income, profit or over absorption. Income, profit or over absorption. Similarly, expense or loss or under absorption. This has to be made. So this is, we were discussing under first method if you are starting with cost profit. But I told you already for our exam purpose, they may not make you this way. So the second thing it is what they will give you. For the second thing, what they will tell you after the cost profit, next they may give what? Financial profit. They will give what? Financial profit. We have to find cost profit. That is, financial profit will be given. We have to find out the cost profit. It will come just to ulta. What is just to ulta? Here will come financial profit. Here will come cost profit. So here, what all the item we added, that will come less. That means if you are starting with financial profit, the cost accounting profit, what all the item will increase the cost profit will be added. What all item will deduct the cost profit will be reduced. That means this will come here and this will come here. Just only there. How interesting. Just a reversal. Since the first method we have discussed in detail, I am not repeating. While doing problem, we will discuss each provision once again. So you don't worry. Though it is a rapid revision, while doing the problem also, I will give the clue. Then the last point. See, last thing it is, but this is as per your online pattern, very rare to come. As per your online pattern, very rare to come. But for the better understanding, we will do one problem on this. That means they will ask you to prepare profit and loss account, costing P&L, and prepare the profit reconciliation account. That means we have to prepare the P&L. We have to prepare the cost sheet. So if you prepare the P&L, you will get one profit and loss. If you prepare the costing profit, you will get the one profit or loss. So next you have to prepare what? You have to prepare the profit reconciliation account. That is what we have to do. That means from scratch we have to do. These are three ways they will test for your exam. Though in the format they discussed only one method, but for practical perspective, Just like our intermediate, it can be tested like always. Now let me tell you, if your intermediate items are more of traditional items, but nowadays for your exam, new expenses also coming. That is expenses only in financial account. There are some additional expense. That is example like CSR expenses and all. These are all recently added item. So all these new item of expenses also will be tested. So it is not just like your intermediate profit reconciliation. Here there will be little bit history will also there for your question. So while doing the problem, you will get more clarity. While doing the problem, you will get more clarity. So before starting the problem, let me highlight once again. This is the three way they will test. Either they will give cost profit, we have to find the financial profit, or they will give financial profit, we have to find the cost profit, or by preparing the P&L and cost sheet, we have to find out the everything. See, since your format, in this format, there is a separate point, that is adjustment of stock we will discuss separately. But as far as for your online exam is concerned, no need of presentation is nothing. These all are coming under MCQ pattern only. One question is asking for what is the profit as per financial accounts. One question is coming for what is the profit as per cost accounts, or sometimes they'll ask how the treatment. So it is very easy for you to score good mark. So with your permission, we are starting the problem for the day. Already we have shared the material. I shared a little late, so hope you all got the material. With your permission, we will start. We will start with all our previous year question. In the previous year question, very easy question we will start. Accordingly, we will go for advanced question. Okay. So all our previous year question. I am not mentioned here every question. So all our previous year question. With your permission, we are starting. Hope you are also ready. We can start. Okay. So please, you can just download the material. I have already shared the material, so you can just download it. So we will start. So we will start the session. I know you are ready. I am also ready for you. We can start. So very easily we can approach the sums. Profit reconciliation. So this question, how they are testing? They are giving the financial profit. So if they have given the financial profit, just a reversal will come. So I will approach such a way which will be easy for you. So let me tell the shortcut method. Profit as per financial accounts. So here the profit as per financial accounts. We have already discussed what all the item will come. Expenses or losses. Not considered in cost accounts, because the item which will increase the cost profit will be added. Very simple. Item which will increase the cost profit will be added. So expenses or losses not considered in cost accounts. The next income or apart from that, there are some other item will be there. I will tell while doing approaching the problem. Income or profit not considered in cost accounts. So I am here ready. Then you will have stock adjustment. Stock adjustment, very interesting item. While doing problem, again I will tell. So final answer you will get profit as per cost accounts. So we will start. I will share you the Excel sheet also. Don't worry. So what is the profit as per financial accounts? Profit as per financial accounts, 26 lakh 28,000. Profit as per financial accounts is what? 26 lakh 28,000. Now the company is engaged in trading activity by purchasing goods of 4 lakh, selling it for 5 lakh, incurring an expenses of 25,000. This is a clear-cut example of what? This is a clear-cut example of profit from trading activity. So profit, whatever the profit we have to reduce. Already we have discussed the concept. So profit from trading activity. How we will identify the amount? It is 1 lakh profit you are getting. For that you are incurring an expenses of 25,000. 1 lakh profit you are getting. For that you are incurring an expenses of 25,000. So that means your profit we have to reduce is 75,000. Moving further, some old asset sold off, fetching a profit. Whenever come the profit, the format is very clear. We just want to fill in that. That is profit from sale of assets. Profit from sale of assets. What is a profit from sale of assets, my dears? The profit from sale of asset is 80,000. Profit from sale of asset is what? 80,000. Next, very interesting. A major overhaul was carried out 4 lakh. And the next such overhaul will only after 4 years. A very important topic. Overall expenses. See, in financial, you will incur the expenses as and when it is incurred. So that means you will charge 4 lakh. But in costing, no expenses will be charged directly for a year. It will be apportioned over the useful life. In costing, no expenses will be charged for the year, especially for repair and other expenses. So this will be charged over a period of in cost accounting. So 4 lakh divided by, it is for 4 years. So 1 lakh will be the annual cost. So the cost accounting principles telling that these kind of expenses has to be apportioned over the useful life. That means you have to charge only 1 lakh. But in financial already we have charged what? 4 lakh. So financial we have charged 4 lakh. But in costing we charged only 1 lakh. So financial more expenses. That means financial profit will be less. Cost profit will be more. So our intention is to find out what? Profit as per cost accounts. So cost profit will be more because in costing we charge only what? 1 lakh. Because these are overall expenses, we will charge in cost accounts only what? 1 lakh. So the next item, the difference in overall cost. So how the amount will come, my dears? That is 4 lakh we have to charge in financial. 1 lakh only we will charge in costing. So the difference will come what? 3 lakh. Moving further, interest received amount to 1,15,000 from investment. So interest received. Once again. So cost profit will be more. This has to be done here. I made the column wrong. We discussed that properly, we have to be added. Because the difference, we have to be added because cost profit will be more. We have already discussed the cost profit will be more. So what all the item cost profit is more, we have to be added. What all the item cost profit is more, we have to be added. What is the next item? Interest on investment. So that will also come here. Interest on investment. Because all income and profit. So we have given the format also for your benefit, so that it will be easy for you. One item you get, rest of the items are easy, which is lakh and 50. Now, the next item, this is very, very important, that is stock adjustment. What is the stock adjustment? Work in progress valuation for financial account doesn't practice into account factory overhead. Factory overhead is lakh and 55. That means doesn't practice into account in financial accounts. That means financial account, it will not be there. Your opening value, I will just write here. Your work in progress, your opening is what? Lakh and 85. What is your closing? Closing is 3 lakh 50. So what is the increase? The increase is the difference. See, now they tell that it is not in financial accounts. So if not in financial account, the meaning will be what? Financial account profit will be less. Cost account profit will be more. Why? Very simple. The reason is what? It is not at all considered in financial. Work in progress is not considered in financial. So if financial it is not considered, financial profit will be less because it is an increase. Increase will increase the profit. So financial profit will be less. Cost profit will be more. The reason cost profit is more because it is showing in the cost accounts. So if closing stock is more in cost accounts, cost profit will be more. So since cost profit will be more, we are finding the cost profit, the different stock adjustment we have to be added. So it depends upon the situation. In this situation, we have to add. Sometime it will be deduct. So we must be very clear. In this situation, we have to add. So if you take the entire number here, here we have only 3 lakh. Here we have what? So how it will come? See, this is the item. You have to add the first item. Second item, we have to deduct. Next item, we have to add. Stock adjustment, we have to add. So it will be 27 lakh 53,000. It will be 27 lakh 53,000. So if you approach each case such a way, never you make mistake. But you will understand while doing 2 or more problem. When we do 1 or 2 more problem, you will get the clarity of that. When we do 1 or 2 problem, you will get the clarity of that, how to approach. So you don't want to worry. I will share you this Excel sheet also. So hope you have completed. So with your permission, I am moving into next question. Hope you have completed. So with your permission, I am moving into next question. So what is the next question? Okay, this is little interesting, little advanced. Question number 3. What is question number 3? Cost accounts of Savarna sugar mills arrived a profit of 73 lakh 23,000 based on cost accounts. So here in the last case we were doing with the financial profit. Now we are starting with what? Cost profit. That was I was telling you, it can come anyway. You should be very clear in that. So decrease in profit or loss or sale, voluntary retirement. So all the items are there. See, the question is asking, what is the profit as per financial accounts? What is the profit? So it will be just to ulta. It will be just to ulta. That is, it will start with profit as per cost accounts. Profit as per cost accounts. So what we have to add, what we have less there, that has to be added. The expenses, income, see here what we have done it, just reversal we have to make it. So here expenses lot not considered, that has to become ulta. So income or profit not considered in cost. Here less will come what? The expenses or losses. Then definitely there will be one item. What is the item? That is stock adjustment. Stock adjustment. That is what the main thing here. The stock adjustment may be exclusively one question for you. So you will have the final answer. Profit as per financial accounts. Profit as per financial account. So what is the profit as per cost accounts? 73 lakh 23,150. 73 lakh 23,150. So now they were asking one minute. Stock we will discuss last. So profit on sale of asset. What is the profit? Profit we have to add. Profit on sale of asset. What is the profit on sale of asset? 61,500. The loss on sale of investment. Loss will come here. So what is the loss on sale of investment? Loss of sale of investment is 11,200. Then new items are coming. Voluntary retirement, which is only in financial. So that means we expense not in costing. So voluntary retirement compensation. What is a voluntary retirement compensation? Which is very interesting. 16 lakh 75,000. Which is very interesting. 16 lakh 75,000. A donation. That was also same criteria. What is the donation amount? 25,000. Then here the difference. See the same concept what we discussed in the last case. Here what we were discussed, difference in overall cost. The same item. In last case we have added. Now it will come what? Less. See how the expenses will come. Major repairs. In financial we have taken 13 lakh 26,000. Whereas in cost, which is 6 lakh 8,420. One small thing, there is some system loading error. There is one small system loading error. 1 second. Six lakh 8,420. Thirteen lakh 26,000 minus 6 lakh 8,420. What is the next item? See, look here. All the item we were considered. Most of the item we were considered. Insurance claim is a benefit for you. That is for the last year. What is the amount? $14,29,000. Then profit from retail activity. Profit from retail activity 7,12,300. Then interest income from intercorporate bond. Interest income from intercorporate deposits. What is the amount? 6,15,000. So now what we have to do? That's all. This will be taken here. Now one small adjustment is there. Stock adjustment. That is the main thing. Let's see how many of you will do. Stock adjustment. So what about the stock adjustment? Listen very well. Listen very well. See, that tells that decrease in value of work in progress and finished goods. Decrease means that will bring down the profit. So what is decrease? Here it is financial decrease lakh and 28. The cost is decreased more. If the cost is decreased more, cost profit will be less comparing to financial profit. Financial profit will be more. The decrease in closing stock and value product. The decrease is more in cost. If the decrease is more in cost, the cost profit will be less. Definitely. Decrease means reduction. If costing it is decrease means financial compared to that it will be increase. So we are starting with now what? We are starting with the cost profit. We are finding what? Financial profit. So here the financial profit, if cost, if it is less, financial will be more. So if you want to get financial, we have to be added. So what is the amount we have to be added? The amount we have to be added, lakh and 31,04, 220 minus lakh and 28, 21,990. So I will repeat once again. That means your cost is decreases more, that is cost profit is less. So the difference will be more for financial. If it is more for financial, we have already told we have to be added. If it is more for financial, we have already told we have to be added. So the amount is 2,82,225. 2,82,225 we have to be added. So what is the final answer now? Some of the friends already got the answer. So this is to be added. This is to be less. So the final answer will be, if I am not wrong, it will be 79 lakh. It will be 79 lakh 94,395. So let me tell you one simple logic. See, let me tell you one simple logic. See, this is, you should practice more. See, we are doing in the class very interesting, all the interesting sum. See, the logic is very simple. For that purpose, you should be on time. Some of the friends are joined very late. They were not in the starting time. So you should be on time. So if you are recall the method we were discussed it, and it will be very easy. So come on, copy fast, my dears. Copy, my dears, very fast. Come on, fast. Come on, fast. So hope you have completed. So what is the final answer? Yes. See, these are all a standard question. You should be very clear. See, this is closing stock is less in costing. Look here, the heading is decrease. The heading is decrease. My dear friend, Jagannathan understood wrongly. Jagannathan, please note it. The point is decrease. So decrease means just a reversal of more. So be very clear. I hope Jagannathan, now you are clear. It is the word called decrease. It is the word called decrease. Decrease means just a reversal. So are you clear? So now, my dear friends, this kind of question is all standard question. So hope you have completed. Hope you have completed. Now what we will do now, see, for the purpose of time saving purpose, we won't do now all the question. We will just tell the treatment alone. We will just tell the treatment alone so that you will get more experience on question, because we cannot able to get that point. Okay. So now this. So the breakup of 2,82,225 is the difference. Breakup of 2,82,225 is the difference between costing and financial stock. It is a difference. So those friends who not able to make the topic, I have given the working here. I have given the working here. You can note the point. You can note the point. Okay. So the stock adjustment is very interesting. Be very clear. So we will do one more question. So you will get more clarity on stock adjustment. We will do one more question. So you will get more clarity on stock adjustment. See this question number 4. See question number 4. See here it is starting with the cost profit. So here also there is a interesting concept we are doing for you. This whole concept you know, because these all are general points we have discussed in the last case also. So we are doing question number 4, stock adjustment alone. Question number 4, we are doing how the stock adjustment. So this question is start with same profit as per cost accounts. This question is start with profit as per cost accounts. Now coming to here, we have to find out the profit as per the financial accounts. Profit as per financial accounts. We are doing now only one item, that is the stock adjustment, how it will come. Balance, no other new item are there. So read the point. See in the last question, they have given the wording called decrease in value. But look here, here they made a increase in value. So this is the point which will come our Jagannathan was telling. If increase is called, profit will be more. So where we have more increase, if you look here, cost profit you have 60 lakh 50, whereas financial profit you have 18 lakh 30. That means financial we have more profit, costing we have less profit. How? Can you repeat once again, sir? Yes, I will repeat once again. Here they tell the increase in work in progress and finished goods. So increase means more. Increase means more. So financial we have 80 lakh 30, whereas costing we have only 60 lakh 50. So financial if you have more, financial profit will be more. So financial profit is more, as we know, we have to be added. So stock adjustment, what we have to do, since we are starting with profit as per cost accounts, the difference we have to add. What is the difference? 18 lakh 30 minus 16 lakh 15,000. 18 lakh 30 minus 15 lakh. Yes. 2,15,000 that we have to be added. Okay. So this is how we will make it. So very simple concept. I will tell once again. See the point they tell that increase in value of work in progress and finished goods. So starting time we said if it is an increase, profit will be more. If it is an increase, profit will be more. So if an increase, profit is more. Look here, financial more is what? 80 lakh 30. Costing is what? 60 lakh 50. So where it is more is financial. So financial will be more. So if financial is more, costing will be less. So if your financial is more, look here, we have already told, if you are finding financial profit, what all the item increase financial profit, we have to be add. What all the item decrease the financial profit, we have to deduct. So it is increase the financial, we have to add. So now hope all of you are very clear. So for your benefit, we are doing all these kinds of problems. Now what we will make it now? Once again, I will give one. This question, little advanced question. This also we will discuss for you. This question number 2 also, little advanced question. This question we will do fully. This question we will do fully so that you will get more clarity. This question also advanced question. So we will do fully for you. I hope you are ready. I am also ready. Question number 2 is a advanced question. The profit and loss as per the financial accounts is given. We have to find out the cost profit. So they have given profit as per financial accounts. What is the profit as per financial accounts? 1 crore 34 27561. What is next? We have to find out. So financial profit, already lot of problem we have did. If you are starting with the financial profit, what will come? Add expenses or losses not in cost accounts. The next will come what? Less income or profit not in cost accounts. So we will start step by step. Very listen, lot of new concepts are there. See, we don't want to do very, very easy question and bring the confidence. We want to do standard question so that the exam perspective it will be easy for you. So this is one of such question we will start. Some of the items are very easy. The stock is very tasty here. The stock is very tasty here. This we will discuss last. So here we have intercorporate. Look here, it is only in financial. So they have given in column wise. So what is the first item? Income or profit not in cost. The first one, interest income from intercorporate fund. Interest income from intercorporate deposits. What is the amount? 6,14,250. 6,14,250. Donation. How the donation will come, my dear? Donation, if you look into, it is 4 lakh. 7. Donation is an expense. So donation will come just the reversal. Donation is an expense. 4,75,250. Next is what? Loss on sale of asset. So what is the loss on sale of asset? Loss on sale of asset is 1,04,000. See, you don't want to worry any point because already the heading we have discussed first day, the expenses or losses. Here it is income and profit. Any special item I will discuss separately. So value of cement, this is very important. This is very important. Value of cement taken for on consumption. This point, lot of students will have confusion. Lot of students will have confusion. Value means benefit. Value means benefit, or you just understand as income. Value means benefit, or you just understand as income. It is not an expense. So value is a benefit or an income. Financial, the benefit is 3,75,000. Costing, the benefit is 3,45,000. So where the benefit is more, financial, the benefit is more. Benefit na income. Income is more, profit is more. So the benefit is more in financial. Financial profit will be more. So what profit we are finding here? Here we are starting with cost profit. We are finding with starting with financial profit. We are gonna find out the cost profit. So what is the theory we have discussed? Item which will increase the cost profit to be added. Item which will decrease the cost profit has to be deducted. Item which will increase the cost profit to be added. Item which will decrease the cost profit has to be deducted. So look here, value of cement taken for own consumption. So this is a benefit where the financial is more, cost is less. So if cost is less, cost profit will be less. So if cost profit is less, we have to deduct. Because cost profit only we are finding out. So if cost profit is less, we have to deduct. So difference in value of cement. What is the amount? 3,75,920 minus 3,45,000. What is next? Power of EB. EB is the name itself, it is a cost. Cost is more in financial, that is cost account, it will be less. So that also will come. So this point very clear, just look into, see the cost of power. See here, in costing we have very higher amount. What is a very higher amount? 48,58,000. But in financial, we have only what? 34,10,000. So if costing is more amount, lesser profit. Financial is lesser amount means more profit. So costing is lesser profit now. What role the item bring the cost profit down, we have to reduce. So less difference in EB or power. What is the amount? Some of the friends are very fast. They are giving the answer itself. 48,58,415 minus 34,10,420. You got the number. Now, the main item. For that purpose only I did, because it is a very, very standard question. So what is that item, my dears? Stock adjustment. What is the item, my dears? Stock adjustment. So I know you are ready. I am also ready. The stock adjustment. What is the stock adjustment? See, we have the opening is there. So what is the opening, my dears? Opening, if you take, we have WIP and also finished goods. In two accounts, what are all the accounts? Financial accounts also there, cost accounts also there. What is the opening? I just enter it. Very simple, very standard question, very important question. I just enter. We can do different method. I am doing one of the shortcut method so that you can save time. So what is the working opening? 29 lakh. $52,315. And here 23,45,720. What is the closing opening? 248,37,410. 272. So what is the total? We got it. Now what is the closing? What is the work in progress? Closing 4172 635. 3635 345. So see, I have not done anything right now. I just taken the total. See now, this is your opening, this is your closing. So what we can say this is a increase. What is that? We can say increase. So what is the increase? So this is the number, increase. So where we have more increase, the increase is more in cost accounts. How you understood? Look here. Here 131, here it is 1558. So the increase is more in cost accounts. So if the increase is more in cost accounts, what we have discussed, cost profit will be more. The increase is more in cost accounts, cost profit will be more. So here we are finding, since cost is more, add. So what we have to do? Very good, very good. So stock adjustment. We have to add the difference. 15, 96, 843 minus 13, 13, 4320. So what will be the answer? So you will get the answer. Profit as per cost accounts. Some of the friends already got the answer. Very. So you can make the knot properly. That's all, my dears. So stock adjustment, different method we have discussed it, because there will be separate subdivision for stock adjustment. So for bringing the clarity only, we have did this many sums. So now already we have did up to 4. This is the question which I was telling you. The question will ask you cost profit, financial profit, and they will ask you for what? The profit and loss account. But as per our new format, this will not gonna test you. So I am not discussing this now. Now we will go for a new topic called next para. That is in the starting time we have discussed it. Starting time we have discussed it. Para 2 discuss about profit reconciliation. While you're preparing your cost statement, para 2 discuss about profit reconciliation. So now, para 3 discuss about value addition. Para 3 discuss about what? Value addition. So value addition, otherwise sometimes we call value addition and distribution of earnings. So very interesting, generally coming question. In your online FTP, you have more number of questions are there. In your online FTP, you have more number of questions are there. We are ready. Hope you are also ready. We can start. So first I will tell you the simple way. See, this value addition, we have to approach a small format. So I will show you the format. You can just take a photo or you can copy. So first let me tell you what is a value addition. Value addition is nothing but it is just like your FR what you have learned it. That is simply we can say what is your sales less cost of bought out of item. Cost of bought out of item. That means the result or the output by the combined effort of employees, shareholders, providers of fund, government, all the stakeholders, the combined effort, what you are getting the excess, that is what is called the value addition. Simply we can say one format, sales less cost of bought out of item. What is cost of bought out of item? Cost of bought out of item, all expenses other than paid for employees, any kind, salary, anything, depreciation, then government, what will come? Tax, all those things. Then providers of fund interest, shareholders dividend. So expenses other than all these only we call what? Cost of bought out of goods. Otherwise, cost of bought out of goods is called. What is your direct material, fuels, then other overhead. Not the point, other overhead, fuel, spares, packing material, audit fee. This all come under what? Cost of bought out of material. So for your benefit, I have given the format also. For your benefit. So here, though the general format is sales less cost of bought out of goods. In our format, if any excess duty, generally this will replace with your format GST input. This will be replaced for your exam GST input. So you have to get net sales. You have to add export incentive. Export incentive means MISS scheme or duty abatement passport scheme. All those export incentive only. Then add or less adjustment in finished goods. That is, if add if you are increase. Already we discussed increase now we have to add, decrease now we have to less. So less cost of per item we will get value addition. From the value addition, if you add income from other sources, you will get earnings available for distribution. These earnings only you have to distribute what? Employees, shareholders, company, government, and extraordinary if any. That you have to make it. So for your benefit, what is the meaning of cost of bought out also I have given. What is the meaning of cost of bought out also given. So I will give you 5 minutes. Just copy the format in your notebook. Why I want you to copy the format in your notebook? Because so that you will get one small experience on how it will come the format. That will come into your mind. Okay, so we will start it. At least then you will read once. Okay, so I will give you 5 minutes time. Please copy the format first. Please copy the format. Then we will start problem. This is very important. Your online MTP, these topics are testing. In your online MTP, these topics are testing. So very important. So please copy the format. Because once you copy the format, you will remember all the point. While doing the problem, it will be very easy. Come on fast. It is also given in your handout. Also. See, for profit reconciliation, I don't give the format because that format not applicable for exam. It will keep on changing. But here it will be there. Come on fast. So hope you have noted the point. So we will approach the question. We will start with question number 7. We will start with question number 7. So if any friends yet to finish, you can do at the end of the class. Okay. If any friends, if yet to finish, you can do at the end of the class because it's a rapid revision. Now you have to copy fast. Okay, no problem. It's very easy. So we will start. Very interesting. We will start. So I will just highlight once again. This is the format. You are now very clear. We can start. So value addition is very easy. Regularly coming question, you can just apply in the format. So first will come gross sales including excess duty. For your exam, they may be asking GST input. So excess duty is also given. Other income, increase in value of stock, raw material consumed, direct wage. So all the details are there. Shall we start? Yes. So what is the question number? Question number 7. Statement of value addition and distribution of earnings. Statement of value addition and distribution of earnings. What is a gross sales? the gross sales, we have 2 year 2016 less this excess duty sometime will be given as GST input. Net sales. Export incentive, nothing. So if you look in the format, there is an item called what? Export incentive. It is not there. But another one item is there. What is the item? Add increase in value of finished goods. Increase na add. We have already told. So what is the value of finished goods? Export incentive na MIS scheme. That is not MSME scheme. Some friends are thinking MSME scheme, not MSME scheme, MIS scheme under duty entitlement passbook, all those schemes. Now the main item less cost of bought out. So the main item we are starting less cost of bought out. What role the item will come? Raw material consumed. For exam purpose, you can do shortcut. How shortcut? You can take everything, add in your calculator. You can take everything, add in your calculator, you will get the final answer. But here, in the class purpose, since we are doing the first problem, I will give a heading of each item. For exam, you can take in your calculator and total. So what is the raw material? Raw material 880. $720. Raw material 880. Direct wage, we have already told wages, whatever paid to employee will not come. Power and fuel will come. Already we have discussed the point. So what is the power and fuel? 120.96. Stores and spares. What is stores and spares? 80.70. Cess local tax is paid for government. It will not come. Other manufacturing overhead. What is the other manufacturing overhead? 215, 185. Now admin overhead. Admin overhead, what all the item will come? Audit fee will come. Salaries will not come because salary is paid to the employee. Other overhead will come 130. So for your benefit, we are discussing each point step by step. Audit fee will come, other overhead will come 110. Then selling and distribution overhead. What will come under selling overhead? Selling overhead will come Salaries and wages will not come. Packing and forwarding will come. Other overhead 125 will come. We have already discussed depreciation will not come. That will come part of distribution of earnings. Simply this, employees will not come. Just listen. Depreciation will not come. Government, whatever the taxes will not come. Interest will not come. Dividend will not come. That's all. So here will come what? 15 and 100. Here there is a small item is there. That item will come. That is interest on working capital. Because working capital is for day-to-day expenses. Working capital is for this cost of borrowed purpose we will come. Long-term loan and all will not come, but work in progress will come. That is the last item. What is the work in progress loan? 30 and 25. That's all the item. We can take the total. You got it. This is what is called as value addition. So this is what is called as value addition. See? Now what we have to do? We have to add other income. We have to add other income. What is other income? Other income is in the beginning itself 150 and 100. So this is what is called earnings available for distribution. This is what is called earning available for distribution. So what is the earnings available for distribution? 952 and 60. Copy fast. Any doubt, please ask. So answer is not over. Second part we have to do. Answer is not over. Second part we have to do. Other income is mentioned in the beginning. Other income is mentioned in the beginning, 150 and 100. Other income is mentioned in the beginning. So what role the item asking in this question? They were asking value addition. We find out. So all will come 2 mark or 3 mark. Generally for your exam they are given 3 mark weightage. Earning available. The last thing, distribution of earnings to different. We are starting that. That is come the distribution of earnings. That we have already discussed the format. This is employees, shareholder, company, government. So we are starting. Distribution of earnings. Everyone listen. See, if your answer is correct, it will get tallied. This is the total. If your answer is correct, you will get this total. So we will start. First we'll go employees, shareholders, government. I know you are ready. So employees, what role the payment we have to add here. So what role the payment to the employees? Employee, it start with salary 220 plus. Next will come 120 power and fuel. Dues and pay is also over. Cess and other local taxes. One second, one small. So 220 plus. Next salary is coming where? 24 plus. So all the employee salary will be added. Not only salary, if any bonus or anything paid to employee will be added. I think it is taken all the item. If it is wages also, we have to add. Some friends is asking, sir, if it is wages, whether it is wage or salary, both we have to add it. So I think I have taken all the salary. So what is the next item? Next item, if you look here, 176 plus 20. So for your benefit, I am giving you the breakup also. For your benefit, I am giving you the breakup also. 20. So I will share you the Excel sheet. 211. Shareholder, we pay dividend. So what is the dividend? Proposed dividend 210 and 115. Government, we pay taxes. So taxes we will have to. Excess duty already reduced, so that will not come. Here there is a one item, cess and local tax, which is 60. Cess and local tax, which is 60. Plus there is a provision for tax, which is 150. Going further, here we have cess and this thing is 50. Plus provision for tax 100. So 150. How interesting. Now, next, what is the next? Others or company as retained fund. Retained fund. So these others will come interest. These others only will come interest. So what is the interest? The interest is already working capital loan we have considered separately. So the fixed loan interest 45. The next debenture interest is what? 50. Here it will come what? Fixed loan is 35. Debenture is again 50. Now the main point, company has retained fund. Now the main point, company has retained fund. So we have taken employees, we have taken shareholder as dividend, we have taken government as taxes, we have taken all other items, others. Now we gonna approach the main thing, company as retained fund. My dear friend, company as retained fund includes your retained earnings plus depreciation. Your retained earnings plus depreciation. This is what will come under company as retained fund. See, since your exam is online pattern, first I will tell you shortcut method, then I will approach proper method. First I will tell you shortcut method, then we will go with proper approach. See, what is the shortcut method? Because this is the last item. So we know this total and this total both has to tally. This total and this total both has to tally. So the remaining only will come the balance. This is what shortcut method. Since in your online exam, this shortcut method can work out because you have getting the answer. I think somewhere I have done a small clerical error here. Where it is the error I have did? Balaji is correct. I think he given different answer. Whether this 163 is correct, somewhere some typing error is there, please rectify. Where is the small typing error then? So I think it is correct. We are moving. So the last thing, this is the item. 290 and 163. Suppose if it is not given, how we will find out? Very easy. We have given the point retained earning and depreciation. We are given the point retained earnings at depreciation. So we will find out this, how to find out. So first we will do calculation of retained earnings. I will do shortcut method. Calculation of retained earnings. See how to do calculation of retained earnings. We have 2 years, 2016 and 2015. Okay. 2016, 2015. I told for your exam, you can do shortcut method because objective model. But still, I will tell how it will be. So what is your sales? Net sales. Your net sales is this thing. Add increase in finished goods. What is the increase in finished goods? Now, less expenses. Less expenses. What all expenses? For your benefit, I will tell full format. First, take cost of bought out. Cost of bought out expense. Already we know. What is the cost of bought out expense? 1608. So cost of bought out we have made. So all the item we were making. What is next? After the cost of bought out, salaries total. What is the salaries total? 262, 211. Already we know. Then cess and local tax. What is the cess and local tax? Cess and local tax. $60 and $50. So we have reducted all the item. So this item, if you made it, this is called as, for your benefit, I am making full format, EBITD, earning before interest and depreciation. EBITD. I am doing all for your purpose, proper format. So that you will be very clarity will be there. This clarity will help you for next chapter also. That is what I am giving this much clarity. Now less depreciation. What is the depreciation? Depreciation is 60. So you will get EBIT. Now, less interest. What is the interest amount? 60 and 50. PVT. See why I am giving this Pakka format, because next question they will ask PVT. That time I won't do PVT. Next question they will ask PVT. I won't do PVT. I told you how to find out PVT. Now next is what? Less tax. What is a tax? 158 and 100. Profit after tax. See, you got your PAT. Less dividend. What is a dividend? 200. Two or 163. One small thing somewhere. Depreciation, salary was not included. Employee was 15, that is why small item we will. Depreciation, salary was not included. Employee was 15. What is this? Where it is? 1 second. I will just highlight somewhere. Why the difference, my dear? Can you just tell us once again, little more clarity and mute? So we will just finish it off. One small typing error that we will just rectify so that it will get tallied. Come on. One small typing correction will make it. Where it is the correction? Can you repeat once again? 1 second. Other income, Ramya, other income is given in the question. So other income we are not considering. So here increase in finished goods and other income both we will add now. So what is the other income amount? What is the other income amount? 150. So here it will be, we are just finishing. Answer over. Answer over. What is the other income? 100. So 105 will come. 100 plus 5. So my dear friends, your PAT will be here. What is the dividend amount? 210 and 115. So what is your retained earnings? See, we are finishing for you, my dear friends. See, we are just finishing it. This is your retained earnings. 143 and 103. Now look here. This I will show you. You can copy once again. See, I told what is this balancing figure? This balancing figure is retained earnings and depreciation. So look here. You got 142. 142, depreciation is 60. 142, if you add depreciation 60, you will get 202. 1642, if you add depreciation 60, you will get 202. The same way, here you have 103. I think the second one small typing error we did, but everywhere we have adjusted so that it will not be. So you will have 103 plus 60. What is the number? 103 plus 60. We get 163. So for your benefit purpose, we have did everything in proper format so that for some question they will ask for PBT, some question they will ask for PAT. You should not get confused. That is what I have given the format. You can copy very fast. We have completed. The sum is completed. So you can copy very fast. Come on fast. This is very important. Value additions are coming regularly for exam. Value additions are coming regularly for exam. Very important. Copy fast. Any doubt you can ask. Any doubt you can ask. Any doubt you can ask. You can just type in the chat box. So hope you have completed. So we have finished the answer. So hope you have finished it. So for your benefit, we have discussed in detail about how to find out retained earning and depreciation. So we have proved the answer is correct. We have proved the answer is correct. So we have discussed the format. Now any question you can see. This format you have to apply. See, we have one question where the question is asking for what? Question number 6 or before the 6. This question number 8. What is question number 8? It comes for a profit reconciliation question also. Here they were asking what is a PBT to value added, that is ratio they are asking. Value added to net revenue, profit to net revenue. So here they are not asking earnings available to distribution and all. They are asking only value added. So we will do very fast. One more problem. So we will get more confidence. Come on fast. For me, it is very easy. I am already having the format. Only value addition only we require. Question number 8. Now, since we discussed the point very well, you can finish less than 5 minutes. You can finish less than 5 minutes. What role the year 2015 and 2014? What is the gross sales? 57. What is the excess duty? And export incentive. There is no export incentive. Increase in finished goods. There is no increase in finished goods also. Yes or no? Less cost out of bought of goods. What is the cost of bought out of goods? Raw material. 3192 2968. 2968. Direct wages will not come. Power and fuel will come. 8476. Stores and spares 1614. See, look here, most of the items are same. Depreciation will not come. Factory overhead is a manufacturing overhead. What role the item? 28 is a salary, will not come. Rates and wages will not come. So other overhead 462 only will come. Rates and taxes is for government, will not come. Depreciation will not come. Salaries will not come. So only other overhead only will come, which is 16. What is next? Stores and spares we have taken. Here it will be 40. Then admin overhead. Admin overhead. Salary will not come. Rates will not come. Only other overhead 462. Selling overhead. Salary will not come. Packing will come. So what is the packing? 16. Depreciation will not come. Other overhead 348 will come. See, look how interesting. Packing 16 will come. Other overhead 330 will come. I will share you the Excel sheet also, don't worry. Other overhead 330 also will come. Interest will not come. Bonus will not come. This interest is not in this case. So what is the value addition? Some of the friends already got the answer. Yes, my dears, your answer is correct. So now we will do one by one question. This is comes under the next topic, that is the financial position only. In financial position, we have to prepare some statement. Look here, PBT to capital employed, other financial ratio, working capital ratio. So all those ratio only we are making now. So what will come here? First, what we have to prepare? The question is asking PBT to value added. So you should have PBT also. So what is the PBT? What is the PBT? The PBT, we have to find out. Who will help me? PBT. Very easy only. All the other expense we have to less. I have given the format also. Who will help me the answer? Or else I will do here PBT. Shortcut method I will do. What is the shortcut method, my dears? Value addition is there. So already some friends are given the PBT 260. Okay, each friends are getting different answer. So I don't want to take any risk. Less other expenses. Less other expenses. So what are all the expenses? We will make it. So we don't want to take risk. All the expenses we want to reduce. Direct wages 98. Direct wages 98. Depreciation 44. Salaries 14. Depreciation 6. Rates and taxes 2. Then salaries again 28. Rates and taxes again 6. Then salaries again 20. Depreciation 2. After the depreciation, look here. Where it is. See, we have taken 28,6, 28,6, then 22. Okay. So we are right now 22. Now the next item we have to take bonus. This bonus is the reason some friends are getting different answer. This bonus may be the reason some friends are getting different answer. So what is the answer? Bonus. You have to reduce your interest. What is the interest amount? Interest amount 238 and 208. 260. So the PBT will be 260. So who got the correct answer 260? So some friends got 260, they got correctly. Those who get 260, we will take the 260. Okay. So 260. Next year you can do yourself. So you are very clear. Now you got the PBT. Answer is over, my dear. What is the first question? Okay, 486. Some friends are telling me, believe that is correct. Okay. So what is the first thing they were asking? PBT to value added. PBT to value added. How it will be? PBT is this, value added into 100. I am doing only for 1 year because 1 year PBT only we have found. Next year you can find out. So I am doing only for 1 year. Okay. So next is what? Value added to net revenue. Value added to net revenue. Value added is 752. Your net revenue is here. So you get it. How interesting. Last but not the least, PBT to net revenue. What is PBT to net revenue? Your PBT is 260 divided by net revenue. So all are in percentage. Very good, Shijda. You got the answer very early. So very well. So this is the answer, my dears. We have completed. This is the answer, my dears. We have completed. Any doubt, please ask. Any doubt, please ask. Shrijida has given the answers for the next year also. But we were done only for 1 year right now because these other expenses we are not fine. So hope your studies are going well. See now, we have few more questions are there. Net revenue means sales. The meaning of net revenue is sales. This is what your net sales. This net revenue is otherwise called net revenue. Net revenue from operation. So hope your studies are going well. What we will do now, we have finished this topic, so we'll wind up for the session. Any doubt, please ask. Any doubt, please ask. We will meet evening. Today evening we will meet by 6:30 p.m. Today evening we will meet by 6:30 p.m. sharp. Okay. So we will continue with the other topic also. We'll continue with the other topic. So the evening session also will be the problem. Okay. So any doubt, please ask. Come on, my dears. Any doubt, please ask. Otherwise, we will wind up. Any doubt, please ask. Otherwise, we will wind up. Yeah, we will share the working. Don't worry. We will share the working and we will post the video in the YouTube. Don't worry. We will share the working. Working I will share now itself. We will post the video before evening. Okay. And these are today we have discussed two topics: value addition and a profit reconciliation. Any one will come pakka for your exam. Anyone will come for Pakka for your exam. Okay. See, turnover, the means as per yesterday I told, turnover will be given in the question. The definition of turnover is section 291. Turnover will be given. Log a stock adjustment means increase in finished goods now we have to add because it will increase the profit. Decrease in finished goods now we have to less. So stock adjustment log is increase now. What we will do? We will add. Decrease now we have to reduce. So Logesh, I think you are clear. Yesterday video most will be uploaded. I'm not aware. I will check it. Okay. Other expense. Yes. See this other expense I will tell very clear. See you don't make this formula. This is the shortcut. For you, you go for this formula. No doubt will come. You go this formula. See PBT, Varun Bhaiya, don't get confused. You go this formula. I went for shortcut formula for time saving. You go for proper formula, which I have given. I will show you the screen once again. In the last, I will show the screen once again. This Varun Bhaiya is asking one question. I will tell. See, Varun Bhaiya, you go with this formula. Okay. You go with this formula. You don't have no doubt. See, that is I have given sir shortcut method. That I have given you. Go with this formula, you can apply. For the time saving, I went for one smart shortcut method. Don't follow those methods. Lavanya is asking CSR treatment. Actually, I thought of it. I discussed the CSR in the morning itself. But since I selected the question, it is not there. So don't look into textbook also. Textbook, there is a lot of error are there. CSR activity is just like a voluntary retirement compensation or other any expenses. That is expenses not in cost. So Lavanya, CSR is nothing but nothing to worry. In the regular class, we have did lot of problem. I think you are not looking to textbook only. So what I am telling now, it is we have to treat as what? We have to treat, yes, we have to treat as an expense only in cost financial. So you can able to get the answer very clear. So I hope Lavanya, you are clear. It is just like a donation. It is just like a expense only in financial. Okay, so any other doubt? Yes, Lakshmi, I asked a very good question. Lakshmi, in the first question, you look the number, decrease na, Lakshmi, I hope you are in the online. That is what we did this kind of question. See, look, Lakshmi, your question was very wonderful. You could have been asked that privately, no problem. Okay. See here, decrease is more in financial. So decrease more in financial. But in this question, increase also more in financial. That is the reason. See, if increase or decreases both happened in financial, so that both are same impact. That is the reason. I am not sharing the screen. You look the question, you will understand. That is both happened. The number got ulta. The number got ulta. That is the reason both we added. Lakshmi, the number got ulta. That is the reason we have added. So don't go through with those techniques. In the starting session, I have told some clue. You watch the video again, you will get the clarity. We will share you the recorded. You watch the video again, you will get the clarity. Okay. So I think Lavanya, now you are clear. So you have. It will upload in YouTube. Don't worry. Okay, welcome. Varun Bhaiya, what I am telling you now, don't follow the shortcut method, what I was telling. You do the format I given, you apply. Okay, shortcut method, you don't go through. You go through the format, you will get the answer. Okay. I think you are clear now. So thank you all. Thank you all. Happy to meet you all virtually. So we can wind up the session now. No other doubt it look like. No other doubt look like. Only thanks and all coming. So thank you all. So no other doubt. So with your permission, we are winding up the session. With your permission, we are winding up the session. Any other doubt? Nothing. So we will meet tomorrow evening. We will meet today evening. Thank you. Wish you all the best.